Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. It is, Tuesday, December 10th. In the building, man. What's up, Signature? 3 Pony. What's going on, y'all? Hit that like button for me as you guys make your way in. We got about 2 minutes to the open. Absolutely, Signature. What you watching today? I imagine you have your eyes on MU as well. STM is kind of interesting to me, especially above yesterday's high. And look at this big volume right here from yesterday. Biggest volume of the day yesterday. Yo, Jose, what's going on? Google MU and Spy. Okay. Okay, man, I haven't even pulled up Google in a long time. We used to have a strange relationship. Come on, mouse. There we go. I'm gonna watch STM over here. Just cause I think it's load settings. Faults. Alright. Cool. What's up, Kizzy Bob? Oh, really? Okay. What's the reason for that, Signature? Just because you don't see, any A plus setups? Okay, so I've been kind of having a lot of pressure on myself at the open. And it's because I'm just too eager to get in and worried about missing the move. So trying to reset again and just chill out, and not be worried about the move. I'm just looking for a really good double bottom or higher low off of the lower day though. That's all I'm looking for. So my 3 on watch are Cure, MU, which is tanking, STM, which probably, I don't know, unless they get like a big rush on volume, it's probably not gonna. It's questionable. Yeah. Nah, I'm actually not gonna watch this. All right. So just got MU and Cure. I'm gonna sit back and I'm just gonna wait for a really good buying opportunity. That's all I want. This is actually pretty good on Cure. If this don't make a new low, that 2-minute I was contemplating the 2-minute ORB. Dang, there it goes. I think that would have been a pretty good buy. Nice narrow range opening candle on high volume. You never know though. Yeah. Oh well. I was kind of hoping I probably would have been tempted to jump in if the second candle stayed before breaking, but it's all good. That's not really my setup anyway. And I gotta be careful. Just chill. Just chill. It's too early. Just gonna relax and just wait. So, a new thing that I'm trying to implement now, shout out my guy Pond at Pond Trading. Um, rules with consequences. He said something that I thought was super profound yesterday in the Discord, link in the description. Um, he said rules are meaningless without consequences. It's like, man, that makes a lot of sense. Man, a dip buy at 14, like that makes a lot of sense though. Um, MU down to yesterday's close and 103. Dang, right back down, huh? Ooh, I'd be stressed out right there. You really would have had to take some out at the top of this candle though. Just because of the amount of volume. So, yeah, anyway, consequences. So, yeah, nah, you can't chase that up there for sure. MU showing some signs. It's so much less stressful if you just if you just commit to waiting for confirmation. It's way less stressful because you don't have to be like, should I buy this? Should I buy that? Even though it is nice. But I don't think there's any volume here that is convincing enough. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Q? Okay, now Cure is looking a little different now. But I don't know, I've seen these before. We want the dip deep below VWAP. See, I don't know if this is worth a try or not. It's a nice entry, man, but okay. Yeah, I do feel like it needs to fade a lot more. RGTI. ELTR. What's up, Wave Rider? Man, she is going. Bruh, tell me Cure is not tempting right here. It's actually scary. Low is 70, 68. See if it breaks 70 or not. Lower day is 68, I think. Yeah, she's going down. Mm. Oh man, what's up, bro? You gonna feel me or what? Bruh. Bruh. Y'all playing with me right now. Oh my god. Sheesh. All right, man. We got off a quarter. Stop to break even. Bruh, it would not fill my cell. I was getting stressed. So I did an interesting thing on the entry here because usually I would wait for the break of the candle, which was 14. But I was just watching this volume coming in. I seen a big price jump on the candle, and it just looked like a lot of big orders were coming in. And so as soon as this volume rose over this one, I just hit the buy button. So I got in at 13.9, which is great. And bro, all this volume and I can't get a fill. Why does it say 2 shares right there, bro? This is madness. I don't know what's going on right now. Guess I gotta do it like this. Oh lordy. Guess we gotta do it like this. Guess we gotta do it like this. Let's go, man. Where my dude at? Hold on, hold on, hold on. I've been wanting to bust this one out for a minute. Where's she at? Where did I put it? Oh, where is it? Dang, I know I put it up here. It's not here. It's halted. We halted, baby. I can't find none of my stuff, man. Yo, signature. uh, Bro, where's my people at? Okay, yeah. Bruh, I thought I added my we halted, y'all. Oh, it is. Bro, I cannot find this dang thing that I want to use, and it says it's here. They lying. Hmm. Ah, that's what I was looking for. Hold on. All right, we gotta put it here. Here. There we go. Oh, let's go, man. Did you get it? You took QURE, Joe Dub? Yo, look at that lower day entry, man. Got the nice little countdown. Yo, shout out, man. I love this trading platform, man. I really do. Yo, we're in at 13.9 and it's halted at 16, y'all. Is that beautiful or what? I wanted to take it at the open, but I'm glad I didn't. I got a much better, less stressful entry over here. Although this candle was a little stressful, but this was cool. This was real cool. I'm closing my MU chart. Yeah, we're not trading anything else today. We're We're not trading anything else today. We about to. Yeah, I bet, bro. I'm about to man, what do you think the potential is for this? How do you even gauge that with these stocks? I guess the last pop they had maybe what was this day? 662 to 11, so $5. All right, we're open. Oh, we got down to 15. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my hotkeys. Them bad boys are broken. I guess we need to put a stop at break even for something crazy happen. Oh yeah, that's what's up, signature. Inshallah. Did buy limit down 437. Huh. On the 15, it don't look bad. It don't look bad, man. I couldn't be mad at you, Arthur, if you did that. Come on, Cure. Let's go to 20, baby. I'm gonna try to hold till I'm gonna try not to sell anything else till 17. Well, let me not say that. I'm just gonna sell on the volume, man. I'm just gonna try to sell on the volume. Into the highs though. Into the highs. Man, you a gunslinger over there, Arthur. You trading all these things? Remind me of myself. uh I might be able to be a gunslinger again one day if I can get my mind right. Man, to have my break even stop below 14 is really cool. But I mean this thing could run 14 like nothing. So we'll see. Definitely hoping to get another couple R's out of this, but you know how it goes. You know how it goes. That's why we take profit, man, because you don't know what's gonna happen. Take profit and go to break even. You got to just be happy with the market gives you. I'm talking to myself. Like, got to be happy with the market gives you and take it while it's there. I should have got a couple more shares off into this halt, though. I was celebrating. Excuse me. All right, back to 15. That 5 minutes starting to look kind of saucy. Still early though. Still got 2.5 minutes for that closes. Yeah, I don't have any other charts open over here. It's just us and QURE today, man. We just see what we can do with this thing, man. Yo, what up, Q? Just holding on, man. Stop up to break even. Got a little profit on the table. It's a perfect day right now. I mean, it's a perfect day as far as execution. Um, I was patient. I was feeling it right here, but I was patient and just came down. Was watching the volume. I like this little candle, these two candles right here on low volume. And as soon as I saw the price action right here and this volume overtook that volume, I just jumped in, man. Stop low of day and started taking profit once we broke through the highs. And now my stops at break even, no risk on the table. And yo, we got some bread on the we got come on, man. Oh yeah, what made you say that, Q? What was about Cure that was I'm gonna call it Cure because I just don't want to say QURE. What was about Cure that made you feel like it was in a void? Oh, probably because you like to short, huh? You be longing too though. This could be a massive trade right now. I probably need to take more shares off because we're like chilling with 3 to 4R unrealized. But I'm trying to be patient, man. Trying to be patient for the big move. At least another run through the highs. Man, we can break and hold over pre-market. Could get really exciting. I am gonna sell a couple more through the highs right here. Um, okay, so that's still working. What if I? Oh, look at that. That works. I'm glad that works. This must not be on short sale restriction. High IO. Yeah, man, it's going down today, Trey. What's IO percent? Easy to borrow. Uh, uh, is it over? I sure thought we was about to make that run. I like this 5. I should put my stop under this 5. What's the low? 1446. That wouldn't be too bad to take that home. But I want to. I think this thing can still go. Institutional ownership. Okay. As opposed to retail, like Why is that negative? What is that? What does that correlate to or with? Yeah, I had MU up on watch, but it broke down too many levels for me. Um, yeah, it broke down too many levels for me. MSTR. Ooh, now see that looks nice. I like that. That looks a nice strong higher low on some good volume. Oh, so that's good for me. Come on, baby. You can do it. BNZI. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. High of day was 266. It's now at 191. Just made a new low of day. JTAI. Who else is in JTAI? Dang, that thing is popping. Wow, that's the one that you was looking at for the reversal. That's what's up, Arthur. Yo, Arthur, man. Big money Arthur over there. Um yeah, I can't do that, Nord. I can't just exit the trade, bro. Yeah, the spy just boom boom candles right there, boy. Nice entry opportunity down here. You could use low of day and everything. JTAI to the swing. Oh. Is this a real stock though? Like, why is it $5? I definitely this is the type of swing that I want though right here though. Like 100. This is the type of swing that I want. Not one that's already on its way up and making big higher highs and higher lows. This is what I want. Where's my Webull at? Good looking out, Arthur. I like that one. Shoot, I need to buy that right now. For real. Do I have positions up in this thing? I'll do that later. Gotta worry about this cure position over here. It is looking kind of sketchy though. You know, it's just, yeah, I could definitely see that wanting to dip down below VWAP and retest low of day. It didn't pull VWAP up very high. It's a little disheartening. PLTR. Yeah, that's nice. Big move. Not really that big of a move. Probably be a nice setup for the Mari. wonder if I can edit that. Can I edit this list of time frames? It seems like where's the monthly? Where's the 4 hour? They have to have that. I just couldn't. I would be so surprised if they did. All right, let's see here. You took any trades today, Trey? Ooh, that's pretty nice. Did this make a new high? Yeah, that's looking like a nice 5 minute candle if it closes like that. Hmm. Gap down and bounce. 2 for 2. Player. I likes that, bro. Hey, that's a nice way to walk away, man. I'm not doing anything else today. I'm just hoping that I'm just hoping that this thing ain't done yet. Uh-oh. It's getting some excitement here. We got some excitement. I hope this is the low of this little pullback. I wouldn't mind moving my stop up to that. Big volume. It'll probably go down a little bit more. Go ahead and test 14. Mm-hmm. Quantum. What does it even mean? All right, down to 14. Let's see how low we gonna go. I kind of wish my stop was still low of day, but I'm not gonna take a L. Come on, man. Go back up, dog. Yeah. Come on, dog. Hold that 14, man. Yeah, I know. I just, I got a methodology and I want to stick to it. I take profit, move stop to break even, and then try to be patient for another opportunity to take profit. So I do wish I took a little more profit. I didn't realize I was leaving so much. And I did put this order out. I was hoping to get a little high of day action, but um, yeah, we'll see. Cause I mean, if it doesn't stop me out and goes back up, then the strategy was perfect, you know. And if it does stop me out, I mean, I got some profit. And damn. Yeah, just got stopped out. Every day's a good day to buy dips. Dang, man, and it didn't make a new low of day. Now, if it doesn't make a low of day, that would be it definitely wasn't worth taking a loss on though. I don't know, it sounds problematic, Q. Buy more. So you think I should have just moved the stop out the way, Q, and just started buying? New low of day over here on Cure. And this is why you don't lower your stop. You think so? Yeah, bro. I was in there. Oh. Really? I did? What's up, Alex? I just saw your message. That's the first thing I was thinking about when that trade hit, bro. RGTI. Mm, dang. I don't even remember this. It's made some fun moves, though. Quantum name. It sounds familiar. I just don't remember saying anything about it. Yeah, for sure. I saw that. Hmm. Oh yeah. Nah, this is a second trade, Q. I already stopped out break even the first trade. Big volume coming in on this candle. That's the moment. What's gonna happen? I'm feeling pretty good about it. We can retake 14. I don't know. I do wish I waited for this instead of that. Bruh, just can't tell what's about to happen. It looked like it's about to break down, but it could also be creating a nice base. But yeah, 1350 looking thin as a twig, boy. I don't see nothing right there. What's up, Santa Patel? Nah, this is the last one for me today, man. I had this and MU on watch, and I rolled with this one. And looks like I'm about to give back an R right here if it stops out. And I'm going to just walk away with my R. Yep. Um, well, I kind of realized my issue. The times that I had problems with small caps, usually it was because I was not buying low of day, and so I just kind of made sure that I did that. And as long as I was happy with the daily setup and uh, all those other things, yeah, I don't know. I don't really think that's that important. I think it's more so the other things. Instant profit. If only it were so simple. Yeah. Backside Bob on that one. That's why Trey, I don't know, man. I'm thinking of just throwing away the VWAP submarine, man. It's too easy to for it to be a backside. I mean, it's a backside play. It's a backside play that sometimes turns into, you know, a rock star play, but it's definitely a backside play. You know, I think should just do away with that joint. Said now log off. What is that? The short SMST? Defiance daily target. Short MSTR ETF. Yeah, I mean it works, but what's the actual criteria for it? Ben is a super OG. Ben and Trey, Three Pony. Yeah, you guys are like my first Joe Dub, Signature. Yeah, those are like my super day ones from like the very beginning. And then yeah, Wave Rider been rocking with me for a good while now. And Noor, Arthur. Yeah, so we got a nice little community here, man. And yeah, man, I love it when you guys start interacting, man. Got Santa popped in today. Army. Yeah, man. It's getting cool. Kizzy Bop. Yeah, Ben was trying to help me out from the beginning, man. Yeah. Ah, cool, Arthur. Yeah, man. Come on in. The water's fine. Take Cure off watch. I think it's about to get back popping, bro. Just bounced off this little pre-market dip right here. All right, the only way I'll take Cure again is if it comes back to 13, does not make a lower low, and throws some crazy volume. What up, Jack? Yeah, Jack been hanging out for a minute too. Bro, the 5 and the 15 about to activate, yo. What's this high? 1424. That's way up there though. Oh man, it's about to be 10:30. It's the same thing that happened up here. I need like a 5 minute grace period, Trey. uh, nice. Way to go, Noor. MashaAllah. I'm saying, bro. All right. You win. uh, let's see how I did today. Man, Jack, that's super huge, man. It's always been a good reset for me when I drop my wrist down, and yeah, it's like I feel like I can handle a certain risk level, but then when you back off of it, you realize that the actual risk level that you handle the best is the one that you can think clearly with, the most clearly with, right? You can be the most patient, most disciplined. So yeah, it makes sense. I think we try to push forward a little faster than we've earned. For me, for sure, I do that a lot. All right, so these were the rules. No pre-market trades. Check. No trades after 9:30. I was getting ready to do that, but Trey helped me out tremendously. No entries without low of day risk. I put except VWAP submarine, but honestly, okay, here's something I was thinking about, Trey, with the VWAP submarine. I feel like with that one, the risk should still be low of day. But like I'm thinking maybe if it does break above that consolidation level, like does start make highs above VWAP, then maybe adding and moving the stop below the submarine. But yeah, I don't know if I want to be entering anything without low of day risk initially. You know, it's just giving yourself, the opportunity to be right, but not perfect. You know, because maybe your timing was off by just a few minutes, and it doesn't break low of day. It just goes down a little bit more. Yeah, it definitely depends on the range. Because if it's too much, then it's just not worth it. But I think that should still be the if it's not worth putting it at low of day, then just don't take it. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I want to get rid of it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of it, bro, just to eliminate variables for right now. Most of the time that's gonna happen after 9:30 anyway. um, yeah, possibly. I might revisit it in the future, but I think I'm gonna leave it off right now. Um, I was gonna do like a first transgression log off for the day, but like, what if it's my last trade of the day anyway? Then there's no consequence. Then it's like YOLO, right? So we're gonna remove that. No trade day next day. Log old trades instead. All right, so no pre-market trades, no trades after 9:30, which is Central Time. So 10:30 market time. I'll put 10:30 since we're all working with market time. No entries without low of day risk. Makes sense. Yeah, I don't know. I'm working myself up to more plays. I think I'm gonna just keep it real simple until I get this one figured out and dialed in, and then I'll add another play. So yeah, if I break one of these rules, I can't take any trades the next day, and instead I have to spend that time journaling my old trades. So that's the game. Again, Pond came through the Discord and dropped this jewel on me yesterday and said that rules are meaningless without consequences. And I really love to get on here and trade with y'all. I love to trade. And if my consequence, like when trade, I was getting ready to take another trade on Cure. And when Trey said, "All right, here we go. No trades tomorrow," I was like, "Dang, I don't want it that bad, you know? I'll just wait till tomorrow." That really made me not take that trade. So that's the idea. Um, so my Cure trade, I ain't gonna hold you, man. From an execution standpoint, this is beautiful. Super low entry, man. The low of day was 1368, and this came down to 1369, and I saw the volume increasing on this candle as it was pushing up. So I just hit the buy button. As soon as this volume passed this one up, I hit the buy button and was able to get a really nice entry at 13.90, and started getting off my first shares once we got through high of day, which I was having a ridiculous time with my hotkeys. I don't know what was going on. My order wasn't getting filled for one, and then they started putting out bracket orders, which I have no idea why that happens. But anyway, I was able to get some off through high of day, which, yeah, exactly, Jack. I've been really trying to sell where you're supposed to sell, taking profit at the appropriate levels, right? So yeah, then started. I was holding out for pre-market high, but the volume in this candle was just so big, and that's truly my signal to take profits, is the big volume. So as it was heading up through, took some shares, and then of course did take some through pre-market, and then we got halted up. I don't know, bro, cause they'll work like the first couple times, and then they'll just start flipping out, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. But yeah. So we got halted up here, and then that was the end of the run. Unfortunately, I did put out another order when we started working up here to sell through just below high of day again. I wanted to get a couple more shares off at least, but we didn't even get up that high, and ended up stopping the rest of my shares out break even, which was kind of sad because I had another 4R. I had 10R secured after this little string of taking profit, and up here I still have 4R on the table, man. So I do feel like I should have taken more off, but I was also leaving myself in position for a crazy profit. So, I'm not mad at myself for that. I did the right thing taking profits. I could have taken a little bit more, um, instead of holding my breath for an even bigger run. Because, I mean, 14 to 16 is a nice run. Yeah. Okay. I got to keep that in mind. I got to keep that in mind. Yeah. I probably could have. Yeah. Yeah. Especially on this rejection candle right here. This one should have. I was busy celebrating though. Yeah, I hear you, Joe. I'm getting there, man. I was really busy celebrating right here. I was celebrating because I felt like this was just the beginning, or was that in the halt? I was doing that. I think it was halted when I was looking for that. My twerk meme. But just from an execution standpoint, I'm super happy with that. With the entry and the places I chose to sell, I just could have definitely taken more off before stopping out all the way down here. Uh, yeah, holding a little too much for the back. That's just like the expectations being too much. Cause this was a big move, man. I should have just had like maybe like 10% left after this move. Uh, and I always try to tell myself when it goes up really fast, that's probably the move. Like it's probably over after that. So I gotta be a little quicker and take more profits in these kind of moves. But other than that, great first trade. Second trade, I mean, we got the big volume into the move down, and then the nice spike down on also increased volume, bottoming tail. And then I waited for the higher high, higher low. Not necessarily higher high, but definitely a higher low. Um, I also was watching this 5 minute candle. I wanted to see that trigger, and it did. And so once that triggered, I just waited for a higher low, and then it was just done already though. Like looking back, looking at these big red candles and all that, bro, it's a lot of things to discourage a re-entry. But I think I really just want to be done with it. Like I want to be in this first run, and once it crashes all the way back down, it's just let it go. Especially through VWAP, man. Like I need to just be really concerned about maximizing this first move. You know. Okay. That's good to know. That's good to know. Something for sure that's specific to these low floats and stuff. Hey, look, it did come back down to 13, and now it look like it's trying to pop up. Came down to 13 and did significant volume. Like that was literally what I was waiting on. Super narrow range, but it did make a lower low though. It did make a lower low. It's hella backside, man. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like when it comes all that's the thing. See, and I was able to do low of day because it made a new low of day. The actually the VWAP submarine should be kind of extended. It should be like a nice middle ground between the high of day and the low of day. Like it shouldn't come all the way back down. So yeah, a VWAP submarine that makes a new low of day is not it. I think that should be a disqualifier for the VWAP submarine. It should not be low of day. But yeah, I think we're gonna remove that completely, and that'll simplify that situation a lot. Um, and yeah, just work on trading the open, man. Work on trading the open. Look for those reversals, reversals that set up after the open, not at the open, but after the open. Just be patient for those. And today was a perfect example of that, and that was awesome. Even though it wasn't, I could have really maximized if I would have been more. It's 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 a balance between taking now and leaving some for the future, and I think I'm a little too more on the side of leaving something for the future, like wanting that home run rather than wanting to take absolute advantage of the move I'm in now, you know to 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 not take full advantage of the move I'm in now for something that may or may not happen. I want to rotate more on the other side. Like I do still want to leave some for the possibilities, but not most of my position. You know, like I had 20 shares, I sold 9 up to this point and still had 11. So I have more than half of my position after this ridiculous move. I sold a quarter here and then started telling 2 shares. This should have been another quarter, and that should have been another quarter. Like I should have only had a fourth left. Yeah, exactly. Wait. Oh, remnants of the Billy mindset, wanting things to go higher. Yeah. Yeah, looking at high of day and thinking thinking higher. Yeah. Yeah. So, mm, you need some Billy. Yeah. um, I think I want to get rid of the expectation for the higher low too. Like, I really want it to be much closer to a double bottom than a higher low. Oh man, that's sad though. The people who bought up there and then in that hall, oh my god, devastation. Holding the bag right now. They on Facebook in a group posting right now about how sick they are and do they anybody think Cure is gonna go back up? Oh man, I remember those days. I was most cases I was always trading with a stop though, so I only had maybe well I've had some definitely hold the bag lessons, but only two or three. Like that just wasn't me at all, man. I was always had my stop in. Stop has been law for me for a long time. What's up, Jay? Holla at me, man. What do I need to do? I sent you a message on Discord. Oh yeah, man. I can't be here at the end of the day though, man. My window is like from 7 to 11 that I can sit here, or 8 to 11, 8 to 11 market time that I can sit here in front of my computer. Then I gotta ride out. This small cap was nice though. What other small caps were there today? Arthur been calling them out this whole time, actually. This whole time, Arthur been calling them out. Golly. Yeah, man. Halt it up. I just want to look at some dailies and some charts and see I don't know, man. I think I can play with these if I can keep the right mindset. CMRX. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I might have gotten left on it though. Yeah, I don't know if I'd have been willing to take this right here. Well, no, I'm definitely not messing with. I don't want to mess with the sub $5 joints. I think I don't know. Maybe I don't need to discriminate, but I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, GXAI. Yeah. Hmm. The W pattern? No, I haven't. Oh, so you get it at the double bottom of the W before it makes the last. What you're looking for is the the last straight part of the W. That's what you want to be in. That's pretty much all I want, bro. I really like. I literally my favorite setup is a double bottom, bro. I'm literally looking for a retest of low of day with some good volume coming in, like what happened at on Cure. I still don't know what the heck a ABCD pattern is. I try really hard to understand it, but it just didn't make sense to me. Maybe I didn't try really hard, but I watched the video. I was really scared about this Cure play because I don't like taking them off the. I'm not as used to as confident taking it off low of day when it's like at VWAP, like when it went up first and then came back down to the open basically instead of trading down at the open, and retesting that level. You hate patterns? That is kind of crazy. Yeah. Ben don't stop through too often anymore. I think he's usually busy trading. He's been coming through the last couple days though. You hate him, Q, but you still see him. You still see him, and they affect your decision making. I bet you a little bit, a little bit. Jay and Ben, oh yeah. Oh man, I don't know, bro. That would be really interesting. Ben is like Ben is in the quantum realm of data at this point. Like he doesn't believe there's any correlations with anything. Like it's all abstract. I'm just like, where do we go from it? Like, what do we do now, Ben? Q said there's no patterns. Ben says there's no correlation between price and volume. Like, what am I supposed to do now? Yeah, I love a good pattern. Good old pattern. Yo, look at Cure over here on 13. We're gonna take a paper trade on Cure. All right, we got a stop buy paper order at 13.23 on Cure. Stop at 12.91. I go to uh I go to Planet Fitness either on 63rd in Raytown or 47th on the Plaza. All right, we just triggered into our paper trade on Cure. Whoa. Stop. Bad. No one cares about Cure anymore. These are just shorts covering. All right. Anyway, ain't got time for this. I'm getting out of here, y'all. I do like this entry, but not the time of day. And I don't know. The 5 minute looked like it's kind of setting up for it too. Nice little level at $13. Same pre-market level. Not much buying volume on that one though. Well, yeah, man, I'm getting out of here. Um, not a bad day. Not a bad day. Um, much better than the rest of the week, but I think we're heading in the right direction. Yeah, for sure, Arthur. Um, yeah, the rules. I think if I can stop breaking my rules, I think that'll help. My consequences of no trade day and being forced to journal, I think are pretty good. So I just gotta keep these in the forefront and just keep it business, man. Not trading something that's not on the watch list, entries without lower day risk, no trades after 10:30, no pre-market trades. That's pretty simple. Anything else I'm missing on here? Am I missing anything? Anything I need to anything else I should consider? I guess I can just do Eastern. Uh, um, what is this? What? I just want to pick some colors, yo. There we go. Yeah, I think this is a really good step. I'm gonna keep it right here in this third chart location here. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like button and subscribe. Discord link is in the description. And y'all be safe out here. See y'all at the open. Peace.